right, we've got Santa Claus.
Oh, no.
This present came from Santa.
Grab it. Grab it. Grab it.
It's so big. What could it be?
Got a hole.
Oh, there we go. Oh, good. Someone help.
Here you go. Here you go.
Can you pull it? Oh boy, what do we got here?
Oh boy, buddy.
What's that? Oh, look at that.
Wrapping paper.
It's wrapping paper. No,
Buddy.
it's not wrapping paper.
It's a truck.
It's a big truck.
When he was born, he would have fit in the bed.
Oh my goodness, he would have fit in the bed when he was born. It's a big one, huh, buddy? Henry loves wrapping paper. Oh, there he goes. I think he sees it now, a little bit. No, he found the wrapping paper again.
A little too young for that.
Yeah, a little too young, but it was really nice. So we got it. Oh, Dad, Santa. Santa got it. What am I trying to say? Oh my goodness. Don't let him hear you. Santa might be listening. Some spews. There we go.
Who's my scary little dude?
Oh boy, Henry, look at that. Do you know which one is actually your present? Do you think it's the paper? Don't get it too wet. Oh, it's getting a little wet. Different part. You can play with it. Just get a different part. There we go. There's more Santa paper. Oh my goodness, so much paper. Oh my gosh. Your little hat. Here we go.
My dad duties include opening and assembling gifts.
That's correct. Santa Claus even brought it in special Santa paper. How thoughtful, Henry. What a thoughtful Santa Claus. I wonder if you know him. Do you think you've met him before?
That one time.
Oh, that one time
At
at the coffee shop. Yeah, at Heritage, remember? Good thing you were so... Let's take this hat off. Good thing you were so nice. Do you know that this is not your actual gift? I see a dump truck. Henry got lots of presents. What did you get, Henry? You got a little monkey, a little Elmo. You got some farm animal puppets. You got that zebra thing that you put the blocks in. And you got a dump truck. And, oh, and a teddy bear. I forgot about the teddy bear. Oh my goodness, I think Dad has a plan over here.
Look, there's little trucks on this.
Interesting. There's a blanket
dump
now in the back of this dump truck. I wonder what Dad's about to do. Oh my goodness. Whoa, watch out. He's still a little roly-poly. Henry, look at you go! Uh-oh.
No.
No.
He didn't like it.
Didn't like it.
Did not like it.
He already got a little overwhelmed this morning, so we had to go take a nap. So maybe it's a lot, this is a lot of Christmas this morning. You just want your paper? Okay. Alright. Merry Christmas! Grandma and Grandpa. Say Merry Christmas? Ooh boy. Say bye.